If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
So far we have completed testing challenges and testing principles in depth. We have completed, correct?
Yes.
Now, again, this is very important topic. When you go for any interview,
Okay.
definitely, 100%, you will get, a question from this topic, today's topic.
Okay.
You will get a question, first and foremost question is this: what is SDLC? What do you know about SDLC?
SDLC. What
Exactly.
is SDLC?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
If you are unable to answer this question, so HR cannot ask many more questions to you. You don't want to waste your time and HR time. You got my point. First and foremost question you will get from today's topic when you go for interview. Is this
Okay.
is this okay?
So
Right.
where?
Yes.
Okay, very important.
Exactly. Right. So SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Again, I'm repeating. Dear, SDLC stands for Software, D stands for Development, L stands for Life, C stands for Cycle. See here, Software Development Life Cycle. Right?
Okay.
So it's a process. Why it is? You can make a question yourself. Okay, why it is? Why? Yes. Why instance? SDLC is the process to develop a particular application. SDLC is the process to develop a particular application. Got my point?
Okay.
It's a process. It's a process. To develop a particular application. To develop a particular application by any company. If suppose you are working for one company, okay, I am working for another company, right?
Yes.
Your husband working for another company. Your husband working for another company, right?
Other company.
Exactly.
Yes.
So these three companies belongs to software only. Okay. Three companies, my company, yours company, your husband company.
We have three companies for now. Okay.
Belongs to IT only, software companies only. Okay. Software companies only. Okay. So any company, my company or your husband company, any company, if they want to develop any application, they have to implement a process. They should have a process, right? Process.
Yes.
That process name is called SDLC. By using
SDLC. Process name is SDLC.
Correct. You're true. Right. So by using this process, any company in the world, any IT company, they will develop their project. If suppose you are cooking food for your children's, right? Okay. Is there any process or not? Are you following some process or not? Prepare food for your children's, are you following some process or not? Right.
Yes,
exactly.
we're following this process. Yeah.
Exactly. You have to enter into the kitchen, and then you have to identify the items you require to prepare a particular food, and then you have to implement such kind of process, to finish that item. Right. So in the same way, here also SDLC is the process to develop entire application. That's all. Okay. In this, these many stages are there.
Yeah.
Feasibility study, analysis. You can read it loudly. You can read it. What's the first one? Feasibility. What's the first one?
First one?
Yeah.
First
you read
one,
it.
feasibility study. Okay.
Second. Yeah. Second one.
Analysis, design. Yeah. First of all, yeah.
Third one.
Feasibility study.
Go ahead.
Okay.
What's the third one?
Third one, design.
Fourth one.
Design.
Exactly. Design.
Coding. Yeah. Design, coding,
Yes.
testing, and
Yep.
delivery and maintenance.
Yes.
Maintenance.
Correct. Yes. First one will be feasibility study. Second one will be analysis. Third one will be designing. Fourth one will be coding. Fifth one will be testing. Last one will be delivery and maintenance. Okay. So these are the different phases. These are the different phases, or you can say different stages. Different phases, or you can say different stages. Right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, one by one, now we are going to see. Right? Today today we are going to finish this entire topic. Now one by one we are going to see. Yes, this is the first stage, feasibility study. What is feasibility? I'll give you one general example. You go.
Okay.
If at all you want to do one activity. You want to do one activity. Means you want to go for film. You want to watch the film. Okay.
Okay, I watched the film.
Yeah. Yes. If that is your plan, will you identify the possibility or not? Will you identify the possibility or not?
Well, say again?
So will you identify the possibility or not? Possibility.
Yes.
Definitely.
The possibility, yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
If at all you want
I
to
have
do
plan.
Exactly. You want to do anything. First you must be identify the possibility, correct? If at all you want to get the job. You want to get the job, right? You have to find out the possibility.
Yeah, I want to say, jump. Okay.
Yes, job.
Okay.
Right.
I understand. Yes. Okay.
If at all you want to listen my classes, right? Or you want to join any course. You want to join any course.
Course, yes.
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 You have to check with your possibility or
yes.
If at all I want to take the batch, I want to handle the batch, or I want to teach you, right? Or I want to teach you, or I want to take this batch. Do I need to find out my possibility or not? Do I need to find out my possibility or not?
Your feasibility?
Yeah, possibilities. Do I check with my feasibility or possibility or not? If I have the time, I'll take the session. Correct? Yeah.
Yes.
So, what is my intention from? What is, if you have time, you will come to the class. Correct? Generally, that's why we are doing the classes, right? So in all the examples, the common agenda is possibility, nothing but feasibility. Feasibility, nothing but in the same way. In the same way, to develop a particular software application by our company, definitely our company find out or looking for some possibility or not, feasibility or not. Tell me yes or no. If at all your company wants to develop any project, definitely they have to look for some feasibility. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. If suppose you are my client, you are my customer.
Yes, right. We have to feasibility. Yes.
Yes. So if you are my customer, if you are my client or you are my customer, so you have you are asking me to develop your project for your company. Okay, you are into some supermarket, you are into supermarket business, or you are into transport business, or you are into any other business. Okay, so you are asking me to develop a project. Hey, Anil, please develop my project. You're asking me. Okay, then what I supposed to do?
I didn't hear your voice sometimes. I lost your voice.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't understand. What happened this computer? I don't understand.
Now, is this okay?
Not clearly your voice.
Now, is this clear? Now. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. A little bit. Yes. I hear you. Okay.
Okay. So if suppose you are my client, you're asking me to develop your project. Okay. Okay. Then you have given me 1,000 requirements. How many requirements you have given me? 1,000 requirements you have given me. Correct?
Yeah, 1,000 requirements. Yeah.
You have given me.
Okay.
So I cannot process 1,000 requirements. I have to check for feasibility. I have to check for feasibility, whether each and every requirement, is this possible to implement with respect to technology or not? See here, Dugo, I have written 1, 2, 3. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Okay, I have to look for the feasibility for your 1,000 requirements. On which basis I have to look? On which basis I have to check whether the requirement given by Dugo is possible or not? Correct. With respect to technology, is this requirement possible to implement or not? Technology. With respect to economy in the sense, you go committed to give 50 lakhs. You go committed to give 50 lakhs, but she is expecting 1 crore requirements. She is expecting 1 crore requirements. Is this possible? You go. Is this possible?
Okay.
No, I'm asking you a question. You are giving me 50 lakhs.
Yes,
You're expecting 1 crore worth. Is this possible?
Yes.
So, okay. If you will be the IT company owner. If you are the software company, you have the software company. Okay, you go. You have the software company. Client is giving you only 50 lakhs. He is expecting with a worth of 1 crore. How can you process his requirements, though which is not possible with respect to economically? How can you process? It's not charity, right? Your company is, you're the CEO. You have to generate the amounts. You have to give employees salaries. Agreed or not? Jigo.
Okay.
So
yes, I agree. Yeah.
Right. So in the same way, yes. Once we received the requirements from the client, and our company has to check out for the feasibility or possibility based on three parameters. Number one, in which technology, whether the particular requirements are suitable for our technology or not technology. And the second one, with respect to budget, is this possible to implement or not? And number three, legally, which is possible or not. Legally, which is possible or not. So you cannot break the rules, right? Every country is having its own law, agreed or not. Every company is, having its own law, agreed or not. So you should not break your country's law, and you cannot, you cannot develop the application as per your
Çok
wish.
kesiliyor bu adamın sesi ya. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Madam, you go. Okay. So the second, and is this okay? You want me go forward?
Okay. Okay. I understand.
And the second phase will be, analysis. What is analysis here? What is analysis? After having the feasibility, then we are going to analyze, we are going to prepare analysis documents. Analysis document in the sense SRS. Hey, what is SRS? S means software. R stands for requirement. Yeah, R stands for requirement. Requirement.
Okay.
S stands for specification. Specification. Correct.
Specific.
Correct.
Specific.
Specification.
Okay, specific.
Yeah.
Specification. Okay, specification.
Exactly.
Now I understand.
So, software requirement specification. In the previous stage, we have discussed about possibility, right? In the previous stage, we have discussed about possibility, correct? Feasibility, whether the requirement is possible to implement with respect to technology, with respect to budget, with respect to legal income. So once we have concluded, we have summarized, right? We are going to prepare one document, that is SRS. Software requirement
specification.
So what is BRS? Okay. Here I have given different names, correct? Here I have given different names, correct? All documents are same.
BRS?
Yes, business requirement specification. URS.
Business requirements specification.
Yeah, URS. Third one, URS. User requirement specification. User requirement. Requirement specification. FRS stands for functional requirement specification. Functional requirement specification.
Functional.
Yeah. BSD. Yeah, correct. BSD stands for business specification document. Business specification
document. Okay.
USD stands for user specification document. User specification document.
User.
Yes, user. So FSD stands for functional specification document. Right. So why do you know why I have given these many names? Do you know, Dugo, why I have given these many names?
Business requirement specification.
Yes, do you understand why I have given these many names?
Business. Say again.
No. Do you understand why I have given these many names?
Yes, I understand.
So why I have given these many names? When you go for interview, are you following me or not? When you go for interview, your HR may ask with any name. With any name. You don't be confused in front of your HR. You don't be confused in front of your HR. They may ask with any name. You don't be afraid. You don't be confused in front of your HR.
Okay.
That is why I have given these many names. One and all will be the same. You go. No difference. One and all will be same. Okay, you go. Different
Okay.
companies, they may go with different names. Different companies may go with different names. Got my point? Chico, got my point?
Say again?
Different companies may go with different names. That's all. Okay.
Different company?
Yeah, companies may go with different names. All names I have given.
Yes. Okay.
Right. So finally,
Right.
what is analysis? Here, business analyst, business analyst, BA.
Business analyst. Yes.
Yes, short form BA.
BA.
Yeah, business
BA.
analyst.
Business analyst.
Be
Okay.
the responsible person for preparing these documents.
Okay.
These documents. Right?
Okay.
The next one, coding.
Coding. Yeah.
Yeah, simple concept here. Very, very simple concept. I'll give you one general example. You want to construct a house, correct?
Yes.
You want to construct house, right? First,
Correct.
you know, first you need to you need to find the feasibility or not. You need to find the feasibility or not.
Yes. Feasibility studies.
Definitely.
Yes.
If you go want to conduct, want to construct one house, first she need to verify the feasibility, whether do we have that much of budget or not, right? Do you have that much of budget or not? Do you have legal permissions or not, right? So do you have uh, right place or not, all these things are you going to consider or not, really, if at all you want to construct a house, right? And the second one, so analysis, third one, design.
Analysis.
Yeah, if at all you want to construct the house, are you going to prepare some documentation or not? Yeah, are you going to prepare some documentation or not? If at all you want to construct a new house,
documentation,
yes,
or not?
Do you require documentation?
Yes.
Yes. After that, do you require a civil engineer or not? Civil engineer to design the plan. Do you require civil engineer or not?
Yes, we requirement.
Definitely. Do you require a civil engineer to design your house?
Yes, but yes, we have to design and we have to requirement. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes. So designing nothing but are designing here. Design. What exactly civil engineer will do? He will prepare a plan. Your house plan he will ready. Correct. Ready.
Yes.
With
Yes.
your house plan. And do you require the contractor or not to construct your building? Do you require contractor or not? To construct your building, contractor you required or not? Contractor required or not? So
require, yes.
Yes. Then yeah. So how we have these many stages to construct your house. Here also to construct a project, we are following these many stages. So in this feasibility we have completed successfully. Analysis we have completed successfully, and then we entered into designing. Okay. So designer be the responsible person to design the application. So what is TDD, what is LLD, what is HLD? Now, we are going to discuss. LLD nothing but see, I'm talking something about LLD, low level designing document. What is LLD? Yeah, I'll open.
LLD. Okay.
Yeah, LLD stands for.
What's mean LLD? I don't understand.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Don't worry. I'm there.
Okay.
To explain that. Now what you're saying?
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Like small, yeah, pages, yeah. Low level designing document. Okay. LLD. Okay. Document design HLT high level design document T technical bir de anlayabilsem dediklerini ama ben bunları çalışırsam kendim yaparım. Anlatırım onları. Nothing put internal structure of the particular application. Wow. Internal.
Yeah. Hey, do go.
Okay.
See here,
Okay.
LLD nothing but low-level designing document, HLD nothing but a high-level designing document, TDD nothing but technical designing document. TDD is nothing but technical designing document.
Designing
Yeah.
document. Okay. H and D.
Okay. So what is LLD? LLD nothing but internal structure of the particular application. If suppose there is a login application,
Mhm.
you take Gmail login application, right?
Okay.
So username, password, submit. So there are 3 fields will be there, correct or not? Yeah, how many? User, password, submit.
Yes, right.
3 fields will be there, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So what's the relation between username and password and submit? First, which one we need to use? Second, which one we need to use? Third, which one we need to use? That kind of relation will be created here. In short form, what I said here, LLD is a document. LLD is a document, nothing but. So why we are preparing this document? So to define the internal structure of the particular application, a particular page.
Particular application. Okay.
Yeah, application or page.
Application or page.
A page.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, like that. there is compose screen will be there. There is attachment screen will be there. There are many screens will be there in your Gmail, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So if you will say something about a particular page, you will find the relation. You will define the relation about one particular page, that is called LLD. So yeah, if multiple pages we have, then you required to find out the relation or not between the page and page. First, we have to use the login page. Second, we have to use compose page. Third, we have to use inbox page. Like that, there should be some kind of relation required, right? Right? Yes,
yes.
that is nothing but HLD.
Required. Yeah.
That is nothing but HLD. That is nothing but HLD. Internal structure of the entire project.
Say again?
Yeah, internal structure of the entire project. Nothing but HLD.
Page LD. Okay.
There is a
Okay.
project. There is a project. Okay.
Okay,
In the-
project.
In these five pages are there. 5 pages are there. How many? How many?
Uh,
Five.
How many? Type?
5
Six.
pages are there. 5.
5, yes.
Yeah. So how do you use those 5 pages? Which one we have to use first? Which one we have to use second? Which page you have to use third? Which page you have to use fourth? Which page you have to use fifth? Do you require that relation or not? Relation or not?
Relation or not?
Do you require or not that relation to know?
Yes.
Yes, that
Yes,
you will
we
come
have.
to know
Yeah.
by interacting with HLD. Hey, I am not asking you to prepare all these things. Go.
Okay.
You go. I am not asking you to prepare all these things. That's not your
What you
job.
ask?
That's not your responsibility. That's the responsibility for the designer. See,
Okay.
for analysis, who will be the responsible? BA, business analyst, will be the responsible for analysis stage. Correct?
Business analyst.
Be the responsible for analysis stage. Agreed?
Yes.
In the same way, designer will be the responsible for designing stage. So who will prepare this document? LLD, HLD, TDD, designer or architect.
Architect. Okay.
Now you got the idea, right? Good. So TDD nothing but technical designing document. Each and every visibility, how username will be there. Is this text box or push button or list box like that? How password will be there? Is this text box or push button or what exactly it is like that? Some prototypes they will design. Okay, nothing but TDD. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I understand. Ben bunu biraz anladım.
Okay. And then next coding.
Sure. Okay.
Hey, my screen is visible now?
No.
What is visible for you?
What's invisible?
Yeah.
No, your screen is open. Still open.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you are displaying, what it is displaying?
Design.
Exactly.
Design.
Done. Designing done. Then I'll go
Design.
for
Okay. Done. Okay.
already
Design.
done.
Okay.
Analysis done, feasibility done, analysis done,
Analysis.
designing done, and then next we'll go for coding. Coding. Right?
Okay.
Everyone they know very well what is coding. Program or code. Have you visited supermarket?
Yes.
Have you visited to any supermarket?
Yes.
Which is nearby your house. So are they preparing bill or not? Bill.
Bill, yes.
So,
yeah.
Are they using any software or not?
The software, yes, right.
So by writing the code only, they develop. By writing the code only they develop. Agreed?
Yes.
Right. In the same way, who will be the responsible for this stage? Developer will be the responsible for this stage. Developer be the responsible. Developer be the responsible to develop the code.
Development, yes.
Developer be the responsible to develop the code.
Developer code, yes.
Yes, absolutely. Using Java or using .NET or using SAP, by using any other programming language, developer be the responsible to develop the code. So in which coding stage, developer be the responsible to develop the code. Then your application Hey, yeah, you said billing application, right? Billing software, right? In supermarket. That will be developed by the developer using any other language.
Yes.
That is called coding. Then what is testing? Hey, it's our part. To learn the testing only you have joined, right?
Yes, right.
Yes. So feasibility study over, analysis over, designing over,
Okay. Coding is
coding
over.
over. Now
And testing.
testing. So do you go be the responsible for testing. You are the responsible for the testing. Agreed?
Yes.
As a test engineer be the responsible person. Test engineer be the responsible to test the particular application. Test engineer be the responsible person to test the particular application. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. What exactly the meaning of testing? What exactly the meaning of testing? In the first day of my session, in the first day of my session, I have given example, definition, television example I have given, correct? Television example I have given in the first day of my class. Did you remember? Yes. Testing, nothing but to verify the functionality of the application is called testing. What is testing? So, is my screen is visible? Notepad I have opened. No.
Yes, open.
Okay. Can you read it? What I'm typing?
Testing.
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing but to verify. We need to check with the functionality of the application. Testing nothing but to verify the functionality of the application.
That is what we discussed in the first session, right?
Yes. Yeah, types of testing: positive testing or negative testing to reach sealant needs and wants needs to and wants. Application. Was expected by the sealant. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, my dear Dugo, already we discussed about testing definition. Testing is nothing but to verify the functionality of the application. And types of testings, two types of testings will be there. One is positive testing, another one will be negative testing. Why positive testing? Ultimately to reach the client needs and wants. Client needs, that is exactly what expected by the client. What expected by the client. That is positive testing. Negative testing, yeah, negative testing in the sense. So, as a test engineer, you are the responsible to perform two types of testing activities. Positive, equal importance. We are giving for both positive and the negative testing. Agreed. We are giving equal importance for positive and negative testing. Why positive to reach customer needs and wants, and then why negative testing to reach customer mistakes sense? Hey, I'll give you one example. Okay, here there is a Gmail login application, login page.
Okay.
Gmail login page, correct?
Correct.
So, first step number 1, you have to enter the username. Step number 2, you have to enter the password. Correct?
Yes.
Step number 3, you have to click on submit button. Click on submit button. Right?
Yes.
Right. Super. By entering the same data, means valid data. If you are verifying whether the data is accepting or not, that is called positive testing. Now you got clear, right? Hugo entered the valid data in username, password, and then he clicked on submit button. Now Hugo is verifying whether the requirement, Hugo is verifying the functionality of the application. Is this positive testing or not? It is positive testing. Negative in the sense, wantedly, Hugo is giving invalid data. If Hugo is giving invalid data and verifying whether the particular application is working properly or not, that is called negative data, negative testing. Okay, Hugo.
Okay.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
You see, why negative testing? Ultimately to reach customer mistake scenario or mistake sense. If suppose Hugo is using the Gmail login application, login page, right? Hugo, you are using that page for some time. So wantedly, are you making the mistake? Wantedly, are you entering the negative data?
Okay.
Wantedly, are you entering negative data?
Why?
Are you entering negative data wantedly?
We am entering the data.
Yes, wantedly, negative data. Negative data wantedly are you entering?
Okay.
Okay. So testing, this is testing to verify the part. Now, why we are doing testing? Ultimately to identify the defects. Why we are doing the testing?
Why we are doing the testing? Yes. To get
the defects.
Defects. Okay.
Why
Yes.
we are doing the testing? Ultimately to get the defects. Correct?
Yes. Right.
Right. So what is testing? Nothing but to verify the functionality of the application. To verify the functionality of the application. So how many types of testings will be there? One is positive testing.
Type positive testing,
negative
testing. Okay.
Why positive testing? To reach client needs and wants. Why negative testing? To reach client mistakes.
Okay.
Why testing? We are doing the testing to get the defects.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Why testing? Okay.
Important question. When you go for any interview, this is important question. Why testing? Why testing? We are doing the testing to get the defects. Okay. Yes, well, good.
Thank you.
So in this way, you have to handle the question. We are, we are doing the testing to get the defects. That's all.
Okay. To get the defects.
So the last and foremost one, maintenance. What it is? Maintenance, delivery and maintenance. This is the last one.
Delivery and maintenance. Okay.
This is the last one. Okay. So what is maintenance? Okay. So what is maintenance? You have, we have completed feasibility study, right? We have completed analysis, right? We have completed coding. We have completed testing. And then finally, you feel that your product is right product, or your product is working perfectly fine. Then you are going to deliver the particular application into the client. So maintenance, nothing but how you are going to maintain the versions. All right, how we are going to deploy.
How we are
Going to deploy means, deliver.
delivery, yeah.
Yeah, you should have some process or not to deliver.
Yes.
That process is called maintenance, delivery and maintenance.
Yes, this process. Delivery and maintenance, yeah.
You should give service to the customer or not. Once you delivered your application, you should give service or not. Service.
Yes, service.
That is called maintenance. Delivery process defined as a delivery, service defined as a maintenance. Okay. That's it. So what I can write here, delivery and maintenance, right?
Delivery and maintenance. The code delivery and given service.
Clear, right? Deployment process or delivery process is called delivery, and to give service to the customer is called maintenance. To give service to the customer is called maintenance, right?
Okay, right.
That's all. So so we don't want to go forward because first, your understanding is very, very important for us. Your understanding, your happiness is very, very important for our Zerantech. Right?
Right.
So first, complete all the, so far, we discussed about, I'll summarize. So okay. Before going to do that, first, what I can say is in SDLC, how many stages we have? 5 stages, basically, 6 stages. 6 stages. The first one will be feasibility study. Who will be the response? Summary. Just I'm summarizing the things. Summary I'm giving. Okay. Conclusion. I'm giving conclusion. SDLC conclusion.
SDLC. Okay.
Conclusion. Final summary.
Conclusion. SDLC. 6 stages. Yeah.
Summary. Okay. 1 minute.
Okay. SDLC summary. Okay.
6 stages. The first one will be feasibility study. Yeah, that is the first one. Who will be the responsible? Top level management. Top level management. Okay. So for analysis, business analyst.
Okay.
Analyst. For design, just a recap. We are discussing designing.
Designer. Okay.
Designer be the responsible. Right. But coding,
Designer. Coding.
developer
Okay.
is responsible.
Developer.
Testing,
Testing.
test engineer,
Test engineer. Okay.
test engineer. For maintenance, support, tech
Maintenance
support.
support. Technician. Okay. Technical support.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
The technical.
Okay. So far, what we have covered, so
SDLC
far,
summary.
no. So far, from the beginning of the sessions, what we have covered: testing, challenges, testing, principles. Third topic, SDLC. Right? First, get all my videos. Okay, get all my recordings and try to understand. Today listen all. Today you listen all the sessions so far I have completed.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll start new topic. I don't want to go forward. Okay, first you be prepared these 3 topics today. Tomorrow I'll ask you a few questions. Madam.
Again, repeat, please. Can you say repeat?
Do go. Tomorrow, I will ask you few questions.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay.
So today you just prepare all these 3 topics: testing challenges, testing principles, SDLC. These many topics so far we have completed. First, understand all of them. Tomorrow, before going to start my session, I would like to ask you few questions for 15 minutes. 15 minutes tomorrow.
15 minutes.
You just put a mail to the support people for requesting videos, Anil videos.
Yes.
Then they will send you. Then listen.
Okay.
Then prepare the notes.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.